Well, we obviously got a snowstorm last night and yesterday. It added to the snowstorm that I've already shot and posted on YouTube. There's a lot of snow. Of course, we were drinking coffee again this morning. I'm here on top of Clary Hill, right up the road from where my wife and I live. We are scheduled tonight to sing at another assisted living home. We work with 2 different assisted living homes, and we go and sing and try to be a blessing. Yesterday I preached at the jail. What an opportunity that is. I'd encourage anybody that is ministry minded to consider preaching at the jail. These men are in desperate need of a good gospel message, hope, and a chance to reclaim their life. It's been stolen from them, but you can look and see that they're not who they want to be. And they're not satisfied with the current situation. Obviously, they're sitting in a jail cell. But these are men. They're not animals, and they have a soul. And God can make them new creatures in Christ Jesus, and old things can pass all away. I love working with people that feel like their life has been messed up, or they feel like there's no hope for them. The fact remains that there's always hope. If there's breath, there's hope. There's life in Jesus Christ, and there's new life, and there's abundant life. Yeah, it's still snowing out here. It's an old farmhouse right here beside me. Uh-oh, got a cell phone call. Yes, babe.
Are you hungry?
Not really, no. What is that?
It's a lettuce.
Oh my goodness.
And it's got yummy tomatoes in it.
It's very snowy out here, and you can tell there's a ton of snow that has come down. Hey, look at this. Hang on a second, look at this.
I'll save some.
You see that? You see how high that is? That bank? A ton of snow. Alright, I'll let you go. Love you.
Love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye. Wow, I'm actually supposed to be going that way, and I normally drive this. I've never walked this before. As you can tell, there's quite a bit of snow here. This is going to be one more exercise. This is a road, believe it or not. It goes that direction, up by that tree. If you've seen some of my old footage, you will know what that looks like way up there at the top of Clary Hill. I don't think I'm going to try to trek all the way up there today, but I do want to be here and just sort of soak all of this in and enjoy this today. I hope you enjoy the view as much as I do. I'm quite comfortable and warm. It's actually not that cold outside today, even though it's snowing. If you live in a northern climate, as we do, this is not actually all that cold. This is all a blueberry field actually up here. This down here is a road going down that direction. I took a few steps and ended up in a snowdrift that's coming up close to my knees. Let's see if I can give you a little demonstration. Yeah. I'm in the pastor's office right now, but I'm leaving. I'm headed to eat supper with my wife. It's going to be an early supper or dinner. At 6:30 we're scheduled to go to Quarry Hill to sing, and we're going to bring you along for that as well. Let's go see what my wife cooked me and her. with the new snowstorm that we got, I want you to take a look at just how high these snow embankments are. It's incredible. Let me see if I can show you a good view, see?
Dinner is served.
Look at all of that healthy food right there. Man.
I even put pepperonis on yours.
I saw that. I've already seen it. Yummy. Sorry y'all, I didn't really film anything with my camera. I only filmed with my cell phone on Facebook Live. So if you want to watch our singing here, then I encourage you to go on our Facebook page, the church's Facebook page. I'll link it in the description and you can go and watch that at your leisure, your time. So God bless, good night.